How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already signed into your Instagram account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that you will land to your profile. Now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Different options will pop up. Go to the option of your activity, open it. Now over here you can find different sections. Scroll down. Under how you use Instagram, you will find the option of account history. Open that option. From here you can easily see your bio history. At the top you can see this option of update type. Tap on that drop down. Not only bio, but you can see the information about your Instagram, including account created, email address, messaging, and so on. If you just want to see the bio, just tap on this option of bio and then tap on apply. Now only your bio history will appear. People will be able to see your current bio, but they won't be able to get access to your old bio. Now how to delete this? Actually, you cannot delete your bio history. If you try to delete it by clicking on this option of clear all given at the top right corner, it will just load and all the account history will be available again. You can see that. So right now you cannot delete your bio history on Instagram, but these information and data are private, so no one will be able to get access to your account history. I hope now you guys are clear if you can delete account bio history on Instagram or not. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.